Hi, good morning, guys. It is Monday. We're going to review tone and mood that we started last week. I noticed that we still struggled a little bit with the difference between tone and mood from the activities you did, specifically the story If I Were a Superhero. So today's lesson is going to be about tone and mood. So, do you know what these two terms mean as they relate to literature? What is tone and what is mood? They are both related to emotions, okay? And they're both found in literature. They're both found in stories. It could be nonfiction, it could be fiction. The tone, if you look at the picture to the left, refers to the author, and the mood refers to the reader. So the tone refers to the author's attitude toward the subject, and the mood refers to the reader's emotion after reading a piece of literature. So let's take a closer look just at tone. It refers toward the subject. So how do we figure out the tone, the author's attitude? Authors aren't the only people who use tone. Speakers use tone too. Think about a time that your parent or teacher has ever asked you to change the tone of your voice. Which of the following is a kinder tone? Move, Alex! It's my turn on the computer. You've been hogging it for the past hour. Or, would you please let me use the computer now? I've been hogging it for the past hour, so I think it's my turn now. Which one has a kinder tone, A or B? B does. Let's analyze the speaker's tone. You're such a talented dancer. Someday I want to be able to do turns like yours. Are they being bossy, encouraging, angry, annoyed, playful, silly, confused, confident, or admiring? What do you think? They are admiring. They're talking about what a talented dancer someone is and how they admire their dancing skills and how they eventually want to be able to do turns like theirs. I know you didn't run as fast as you wanted to run, but don't give up. If you continue to practice, I know you will improve and earn a spot on the relay team. What kind of tone is that? Yes, it's encouraging. This person is encouraging. They say, but don't give up. And if you continue to practice, I know you will improve. Those words are encouraging, and that's an encouraging tone. Let's look at this one. I've been waiting for you for 15 minutes. I'm going to be late for my appointment now, thanks to you. How does that person sound? What does that tone sound like? Annoyed. They definitely seem to be annoyed. They're blaming the other person, for being late to their appointment. And they stressed how long they were waiting, for 15 minutes. Let's look at this one. I can't figure out what I did wrong on this one. The word friendly ends with ly, so I circled adverb, but Mrs. Mason marked it wrong. How does that tone sound? Confused. They are definitely confused. You can figure this out by looking at the first couple of words. I can't figure out what I did wrong. And then they go on to say the word friendly ends with ly, so I circled the adverb. But the teacher marked it wrong. They're very confused as to why they missed something. We cannot hear an author's voice. Therefore, in order to identify an author's tone, we have to study the words that he or she chooses to use and infer. So we're making a guess based on the words that the author uses in their story.